Whether you spell it DTC or D2C, both mean exactly the same thing, direct to consumer. So let's explore exactly what that means. At Recharge, we define direct-to-consumer as an e-commerce business that produces its own products or services and sells them directly to consumers. This differs from other models where third-party retailers or wholesalers could be used. This model allows direct-to-consumer brands more control and customization over the customer journey, creating a more seamless customer experience. There's many advantages to the direct-to-consumer business model. D2C brands have full control over the customer experience, from branding to product design, digital marketing, all the way to shipping logistics. They also have direct access to their customers' data and feedback, allowing them to track product performance, customer satisfaction, and other key metrics. So let's recap. Direct-to-consumer is an e-commerce business model with merchants selling directly to their consumers. D2C brands are more nimble and have the potential to deliver a superior customer experience. D2C has become increasingly popular with online stores looking to boost brand loyalty and customer retention. Hey, if you like this video, there's a whole lot more e-commerce and subscription insights available on our channel, like these ones here.